Hi friends, today we'll discuss about daily transaction limits in banks. So every day you will be dealing with some type of transfer. It may be from your account to another account, or maybe from one bank to another bank. You have different payment methods. So what are the minimum, maximum daily limits for different payment methods? So first we'll take it is RTGS. RTGS minimum transaction limit is 2 lakhs rupees. So you want to do a RTGS, your minimum transaction amount should be 2 lakhs. Maximum transaction limit, no limit. But when you are doing transaction through IB and MB, internet banking, mobile banking, you will have a limits decided by bank. It will be deferred from one bank to another bank. NEFT minimum transaction limit is 2 rupees. Maximum transaction limit, there is no limit for the maximum. But when you are doing a transaction from internet banking or from mobile banking, limits are available. This will differ from one bank to another bank. So when you are doing a UPI transaction, minimum transaction limit bank decision, maximum transaction limit bank decision, daily transaction limit is 1 lakh. In a day you can do 1 lakh worth of UPI transaction. So normally these limits will be, maximum transaction limit will be between 10k to 50k. So IMPS, minimum transaction limit is bank decision, maximum transaction limit is 2 lakhs, daily transaction limit is 7.5 lakhs. So your aggregate transaction total amount should not cross 7.5 lakhs. AEPS, minimum transaction limit bank decision, maximum transaction limit is 10k. In a day you can do only 5 transactions only. Aadhaar enabled payment system, AEPS. Cards, minimum transaction limit is bank decision, maximum transaction limit is bank decision, number of transaction in a day also bank decision. Normally these limits will be depend on the customer and product and the card type. E-commerce transactions, minimum transaction limit bank decision, maximum transaction limit bank decision, daily number of transactions bank decision. Here also for the e-commerce it will be depend on the customer and product, and it will be differ from bank to bank also. Cash deposit also same thing. It is bank decision. It may be minimum transaction limit, maximum transaction limit, daily number of transactions, or deposit in other branch. If you are customer of Kukatpalli branch, you want to remit in Banjara Hills, or third party cash deposit into your account. So third person is coming and paying your account. It will be bank decision, and always these limits will be depend on the customer and product. Cash withdrawal. So minimum transaction limit bank decision, maximum transaction limit bank decision, daily number of transactions bank decision. Here also cash withdrawal limits also depend on the product and customer. Internal transfer within the bank, you want to transfer from one account to another account, minimum transaction limit bank decision, maximum transaction limit bank decision, number of transactions also bank decision. These limits also normally depend on the customer and product. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.